This is Preksha Singh and I'm going to teach you about SST. Today's topic is Earth, Globe and Map. It is for class 3rd. Before going to the topic, I am requesting to you all please subscribe our channel St. Xavier Senior Secondary School Hardoy. Click bell icon on your mobile phone for the notification. So now let's go and start our topic, that is Earth, Globe and Map. So now we will start chapter 2, Globe and Map. First of all, I would like to tell you what is Earth. Earth, you can see this solar system. This is our Earth. So Earth is a smaller planet of our solar system. How it is looking? It is looking round. Round, you can see circle. This is circle. Okay. So Earth shape is round. So, in this slide, you can see Earth. We all know that our Earth is round like a ball. It rotates on its axis and slightly tilted at 23.5 degrees. There is a line, imaginary line, which passes through the center of the Earth. The Earth rotates from west to east. In this picture you can see this is a imaginary line. This line divides our earth into two equal half. This line is called as equator. What is called as equator? So when this imaginary line divides the earth into two equal half, so this upper half is called as the northern hemisphere and the lower part of the earth is known as the southern hemisphere. This is the horizontal line, that is the imaginary line. This is the horizontal line. Again the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal half, that is the vertical line. Okay, that this line is known as the prime meridian. This divides the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Earth rotates west to east, means west. First of all, you know about west and east. West and east. West is the left of our side. Okay, left side, and east is the right side. So from left to right, the west to east, earth rotates. Everyone can see this. What is this? This is a globe. Globe, why we require globe? Because earth we cannot take in our hand. Okay, so this is the model of the earth, just like a earth. This is called as the globe. So globe is a model of earth. If anyone asks to you what is globe, you tell globe is a model of earth. It represents the earth. It shows the distribution of water and land on the earth. In this picture you can see the blue part of the earth is water. This model you can see different colors. The blue color is the water. So mostly of the earth is covered with the water. The other color are the continents and the land. This occupies by the pupil. Okay, understand? So colored part, blue color part is our water and the colored part is our land. You can see the earth, this globe is also tilted like a earth, so the earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Now I will tell you what is the advantages and disadvantages of the globe. Ab you don't know what is advantage, what is disadvantage. Advantage means what are the uses of the globe and why this is not useful for us. Okay, advantage means uses. This is the accurate model of our earth. मीन्स एक्यूरेट, जैसे अर्थ है वैसी ही हमारा ग्लोब है. Shows the distribution of land on water bodies. I told you blue part is the water and the colored part are the continents and the land. Understand? Now disadvantages. It is difficult to carry. If you want to carry, you cannot take because it is round in shape and it is very you can say it is cannot show the small areas in great details. You just now you have seen globe. In globe you can see the land part and the water part, but you cannot see cities, towns, okay, states. That's why it is not useful. Only a part of a hemisphere of a globe can be seen at a time. This is round in shape, okay. So here you can see this part, but the back of the portion of the earth you cannot see. That's why this is not useful. At a time, if you want to see full earth, full map, you cannot see at a time on the globe. Now what is map? Why map is required? Map is the map is a drawing of earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Means globe is in round shape, earth is in flat shape. Means full earth, full map of the earth, full land part and the water part you can see at a time on a map. Map can show large areas like world, small areas like cities and towns. World map you can also see. India's map you can also see. If India's map you want to see any city, any town, you can see easily in the map. A book of, a book of map is called as atlas. Map, if collection of the book is called as the collection of a map of a book is called as the atlas. In this diagram you can see the blue part is the water and the small cities, towns, everything you can see easily in this map, but in the globe you cannot see. Like the globe, what are the advantages of the map and what are the disadvantages of the map? Advantages, it is easy to carry, means portable, fold कर लेंगे अपने पॉकेट में डाल लिया लेके चले गए, ओके. तो it is easy to carry. It shows small areas with greater details. If you want to see any city or town in the India's map or any other city's map or any other country map, you can see easily, okay. It displays different types of information such as population, natural features, industries and many more. If you want to see anything in the map, you can see easily even how much population, how much natural features, matlab what are the condition of this city, this country, okay. Anything you can see. Industry, how many industries are situated in this country, in this city, and anything. Now disadvantage, everything has having disadvantages. It can spoil easily. If you fold and rain come, then it is a paper, so then it will dissolve. It is the two-dimensional or flat rectangular projection of the earth. Two-dimensional होता है, means not a three-dimensional. It a flat I already told you, map is the flat surface of the earth. Size, shape and the relative locations of a place may not be accurate as it get distorted. Means at a size, if you means map, तो earlier they made the size and the shape of the particular relative place is not accurate. Maybe not accurate means the condition of the map is good, but the accurate position is not. You can see continents. What are the continents? The very large masses means collection that cover 1/4 of the earth's surface are called continents. Means on the earth's surface 1/4 part covered with the very land masses means collection of the land. Rest part is the water. So how many continents are in our country? In our world map there are 7 continents. 7 continents. First continent is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Australia. In this continent, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. I will show you. In this picture, you can see easily this is the North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. But in this picture, you tell me which one is the largest continent. Asia you can see na largest area it covering, and the Australia you can see is the smallest continent. Okay. Now we will recall some important points of this chapter. First is Earth. What is Earth? Earth is a small planet of our solar system. globe, a model of the earth, map, a drawing of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Atlas, I told you, a book of maps. Ocean, a very large water body, a large body of salt water. Continent, a large land mass on the surface of the earth. We will do one activity. You tell me answer, okay? Our activity is this: color the names of the continent in the world grid. For this, I just now told you 7 continents name. One I will do for you. One is Asia. You can see this Asia. Next is, I told you. Acha, first you tell me which one is the smallest continent, largest we have done. Smallest is Australia. Good. Next is North America. Next is Europe. Good. Africa. Good. South America. Good. और ये Antarctica. Good. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.